Did you know that just a squirt of common air freshener can release up to 100 contaminants, and many perfumes and colognes contain phthalates, which emerging science says may be linked to reproductive and developmental issues? Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about the best essential oils for a kid's room spray. The problem is that perfume, fragrance, and cleaning supply companies have replaced the source with synthetics and have replaced purity with profits. This can be especially harmful for babies, kids, and young adults that are still developing. Using natural solutions that are safe, effective, affordable, and non-toxic is important, and a practical way to do this is with a kid's room spray. Speaking of kids, the Swaddle Blanket from Baby Love is perfect for mothers, dads, aunties, uncles, and grandparents to get for the little ones in their life. They are 100% natural and never contain harsh bleaches or whitener chemicals. They also make great Mother's Day, baby shower, or birthday gifts. You can learn more with the Amazon link in the description area below. The kids' room spray base includes a half a cup of filtered water, a small glass spray bottle, and 15 drops of essential oil. There are two options that you can choose from that are going to be really good. And so option one would be Sweet Dreams, and this is 8 drops of lavender, 4 drops of wild orange, 2 drops of chamomile, and 1 drop of sandalwood. Option 2 would be a laser focus blend, and this contains 7 drops of white fir, 5 drops of rosemary, and 3 drops of bergamot. The directions are to combine the water and essential oils in the spray bottle, and the kind with a trigger spray handle is easiest for kids to use instead of maybe the press top. And then you want to give this to an older child to spray in the air as needed or desired. So why does this all matter, you may be asking? Well, your body can filter toxins, but with increasing amounts in processed foods, perfumes, colognes, tap water, plastic water bottles, cleaning supplies, candles, plug-in air fresheners, and car muffler fumes, combined with smaller individuals, it's only a matter of time before the toxic load takes a physical toll. In conclusion, although you can't prevent 100% of toxins from entering your home, workplace, or body, you can purge the main offenders, limit your exposure, and detox with natural solutions so that you and your family can live a healthier, more productive life. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out those links in the description area below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I will see you in the next video.